Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the student of Rehan School, Islamabad, at TED campus at foundation level. So today, viewers, my second TEDx on the topic of the power of courage, dreams in breaking barriers. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to take you on a journey of courage, resilience, and the unstoppable desire to rise. The talk we were reflecting on is titled Fly I Must by Afreen Mushtaq. It is not just a speech, it is a voice, a movement, and a reminder that no matter how strong the cage is, the human spirit is stronger. Fly. I must about breaking limitation those imposed by society, fear, and even ourselves. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you were meant for more, but something was holding you back? That's where this story begins. Afreen Mushtaq shares her journey growing up in a place where opportunities, especially for girls, are limited. She talks about restriction, expectation, fear of judgment, and social pressure. But instead of accepting these permanent barriers, she asks a powerful question: why not me? The story reflects the struggle of many young people, especially those who feel unseen, unheard, and understand. The desire to fly, the phrase fly I must, is symbolic. It represents freedom, dreams, self belief, courage. After explained that flying is not always physical, it's emotional and mental. Breaking stereotypes, choosing your own path, believe in your worth. She reminds us that sometimes the biggest cage is not around us, but inside us. Challenges after highlights the real challenges she faced cultural expectations. Society often defines what a person should or should not do. Fear of failure. Many people don't try not because they cannot, but because they are afraid. Lack of support. Sometimes even family or friends and may not understand your dreams. But she emphasizes something powerful. Barriers are real, but they are not permanent. Every inspiring story has a turning point, and so does hers. Afreen decided to speak up, to believe in herself, to step outside her comfort zone. This decision did not remove fear, but it gave her strength to face it. She teaches us that courage is not the absence of fear, it is acting despite it. Let's break down the key lessons. Number one, believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Number two, your dreams matter. No dream is too small or too big. Number three, failure is part of growth. Every failure teaches something valuable. Number four, speak your truth. Your voice has power. Use it. Number five, take action. Dreaming is important, but action makes dreams real. Reflection. When I listened to this talk, it made me reflect deeply. I realized how often we limited ourselves, how fear controls our decisions, how we wait for permission instead of taking action. This is talk is not just a free story. It is our story. Each one of us has something we want to achieve, something we are afraid to pursue. Audience, let me ask you again, what is stopping you from flying? Is it fear, society, doubt, or comfort? Whatever it is, remember this: you are stronger. You are stronger than your fears. Our free message is clear. That weight for the perfect moment create it. Today I challenge you to done thing. Take one step towards your dream. It could be learning something new, speaking up, starting a project, or simply believing in yourself, because change does not happen overnight. It starts with one step. I want to end with his thought: you are not born to stay grounded by fear. You are born to rise, to grow, fly. Like Afreen Mushtaq said, fly, I must. And before we begin, close your eyes for a moment. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff. Behind you is comfort. In front of you is the unknown. Now ask yourself, do you step back or do you fly? This is exactly the question that Afreen Mushtaq forces us to confront. Because sometimes life does not give wings. We have to build them ourselves. And after introduction, you see dreams. You see dreams are strange things. They whisper to us late at night. They disturb our comfort. They refuse to stay silent. And no matter how hard we try to ignore them, they keep saying, "You are meant for more." Offering did not silence that voice. She listened to it. Ex- Section, let's be honest. The world is not always kind to dreamers. People will say, "You cannot do this. This is not for you. Stay where you belong." And sometimes the most painful part is these voices come from people we love, but they're the truth. Just because someone cannot see your wings does not mean they don't exist. And depth to fair section. Fear is powerful. It can stop you before you start, silence your voice, convince you to settle. But fear has one weakness: it only wins when you don't act. Afreen did not wait for fear to disappear, she moved forward with it. There comes a moment in every life, a moment where you decide enough is enough. No more waiting, no more doubting, no more shake. That moment does not come with apologies. It comes quietly, but it changes everything. For Afreen, that moment was when she chose herself. Growth is uncomfortable. If it feel easy, you are probably not growing. Your story matters even if it fails small. Your story can inspire someone else. Silence is also a choice. If you don't speak up, nothing changes. This line is so important. Another, you don't need permission. You don't need approval to chase your dreams. Thinks about this: how many dreams have been buried because someone was too afraid to try? How many voices were never heard because someone was told to stay quiet? And how many lives stayed ordinary when they were meant to be extraordinary? Don't let that be your story. Emotional story instead. There was a time when I doubted myself. I thought, maybe I am not good enough. Maybe I am not ready. Maybe this is not for me. But then I realized something powerful. If not me, then who? If not now, then when? And that changed everything. Audience engagement lines rise, you hand in your mind. You have ever been afraid to try. You have ever doubted yourself. You have ever felt stuck. Now keep that hand raised because that means you are human. But also remember, being human is not a weakness, it is your strength. Stronger call to action. Don't wait for the perfect time, the perfect plane, the perfect sport. And final lines, impactful line, that is, you are not here to just exist. You are here to create, to inspire, to rise. So when life asks you, will you stay or will you fly? I hope your answer is fly, I must. If you want, I can also. So, viewers, this is my second TEDx. The topic of the power of courage is in dreaming, and also and by Afreen Mushtaq. So, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan, Zindabad.